Want to know how to use Tenable for compliance audits? In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the key features and show you how this software can streamline your compliance process. Whether you're a business owner or part of an IT team, this is the tool you need to make audits easier and more efficient. Stick around to the end, because I'll also share how you can access Tenable for free with exclusive bonuses. Let's dive in. First things first, Tenable helps you assess your network security and compliance posture through comprehensive scanning. It scans your IT environment to find vulnerabilities and misconfigurations, helping you meet regulatory requirements like HIPAA, PCI DSS, and more. The best part is that it provides you with actionable insights, so you're not just scanning blindly, you're taking action based on real data. Next thing, Tenable integrates seamlessly into your existing infrastructure. No need for major changes or complicated setups. You can get started quickly with minimal effort. You'll see how the software runs scans, gives you compliance reports, and even helps prioritize actions based on risk. You'll have all the information you need to stay compliant right at your fingertips. The third thing that makes Tenable stand out is its reporting features. Once your scans are complete, you can quickly generate detailed compliance reports. These reports not only show what vulnerabilities are present, but also provide a clear path to remediation. This is key when you're dealing with audits because it gives you the documentation you need to prove compliance. Now, the fourth thing you should know is how Tenable continuously monitors your systems. Compliance isn't just a one-time task, it's an ongoing process. With Tenable, you'll have real-time visibility into your security posture, and you'll be able to track and respond to vulnerabilities as they emerge. This continuous monitoring ensures that you're always prepared for an audit. Moving on, another important feature is Tenable's ease of use. Even if you're not an IT expert, you can still effectively use the software. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate through scans, reports, and compliance checks. And if you ever need help, Tenable has strong support resources to guide you. Lastly, Tenable isn't just for large organizations. It's scalable, meaning whether you're a small business or an enterprise, you can use Tenable for compliance audits. The software adapts to your needs, so you don't have to worry about outgrowing it. Plus, you get customizable settings to tailor the tool to your specific requirements. Before you go, remember that you can access Tenable completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. We've also secured exclusive bonuses for you, making it easier than ever to get started on your compliance journey. So to recap, Tenable helps you scan your systems, generate compliance reports, continuously monitor your environment, and prioritize actions to stay compliant. It's scalable and easy to use, making it the perfect tool for any business. And don't forget, the link below gives you an extended free trial of Tenable with exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your compliance audits.